8BitDo rolled out its new Arcade Controller Pro and says it's for serious fighters only. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech and gaming news. The Arcade Controller Pro is a rectangular pad that looks more like something you might use to make electronic music than to play fighting games. But those buttons are used to control everything, from your inputs to your movement, and 8BitDo has made them smaller, with tighter spacing between them to make the whole controller easier to access. The original arcade controller featured 4 programmable buttons, but the Pro adds a 5th to the far left of the pad. 8BitDo says this gives you even more control options while leaving more room for your left hand to move naturally. There's also a new built-in display that shows you your inputs and battery status while letting you make quick settings adjustments. Like the arcade controller before it, the Pro also has a control panel located above the action buttons, which can be used to switch between connection modes and turn up the volume. It can also activate a tournament lock that prevents accidental inputs during competitive play. The Arcade Controller Pro features hot swappable switches and a redesigned round button caps that you can install from any angle. The various customization options are designed to give you the perfect setup. If you're playing wired, which is supported on both Windows and Switch, there's a metal lock built into the controller to ensure the USB-C cable doesn't come out if you suddenly move it. Wireless play is also an option for Switch, giving you 15 hours of usage with RGB features turned off. The Arcade Controller Pro also comes with a magnetic wrist rest. With all this, the release date and the price of this controller are still to be confirmed. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.